So today we're going to be looking at how to fix a broken actuator rod for blinds. So here's what a good one looks like along with a broken one where it just snapped off. So how can we fix this? Well, it's real simple to fix. So we start by cutting off the end, and we're trying to find the hollow part of the rod. Once we have that, we're going to just use an eyelet terminal. We're going to take off the plastic sleeve and just leave the metal exposed. Next, we're just going to insert that into the hollow rod, and that should be it. Success! The problem is fixed. Thank you for watching.